In this video, you will see how to use the Verify Enabled keyword in Avo Assure to verify the enable status of the selected object, such as clicking or providing text input for elements within SAP application when automating it. Begin by adding the first test step by select author menu _btn as the element name and verify enabled as the keyword. Enter result within curly brackets in the output field to reflect the status after execution. For the second step, select it generic as element name and display variable value as keyword to display the output entered in the first test step. Now, enter the same value as that in the first test step's output field in the input field. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will execute the designed test steps and verify the enabled status of the other menu option on SAP landing page. After the debug, you will see True as the result appears in the screen indicating the other menu button is enabled in SAP.